Hey, dream chasers, ever felt like you're running on a treadmill of life and actually reaching nowhere? Now it's the time for you to stop jogging and start goal setting like a pro. Stick around because I'm going to turn your dreams into a proper game plan. Hello everyone, my name is Babri and today we are going to talk about goal setting. So let's understand what goal setting actually is. Is it just writing about getting rich? Or just writing it on a sticky note and slamming it on your mirror? That's actually wishful thinking and not goal setting. Goal setting, it's like giving your dreams a GPS coordinate. Make it smart. Okay, so let's understand each of these terms in details. So S in SMART stands for specific. Specific, for example, I just want to be fit. Instead of saying that, you should say, I will do around 20 push-ups a day without falling like a wet noodle. M, which is measurable, is basically trying to track your progress and not just vibing with your plans and goals. A is achievable. If your goal is to become a Ninja Turtle, you might actually think on that part. But still, if you want to become a Ninja Turtle, you should at least start with your martial arts practice. R is relevant. Relevant being your goals should actually matter to you and not just look cool on Instagram. Okay, it should actually be very relevant to your own life. T is time bound. Anything and everything, especially in corporates and in real life, even our own life, has a deadline. We all have a deadline. And it will drag you forever and ever into it. For example, if you're watching Netflix and you don't have a timeline that I will watch Netflix just for like an hour, it will take all your day and you will binge watch just like how you binge watch another season of Squid Games. Here's a secret sauce. Know your why. Because let me be very honest with you. On day 7, when you wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, you need something more than motivation. You need a reason. You need to know why you're doing it. For example, like I want to be good at my match. I want to be excelling at my skills. Or I just want to eat pizza guilt-free in my future. That is why I want to work out. Here's a tip from my side. Break your goals into bite-sized ones. Because you don't climb Mount Everest in one leap unless and until you are a Spider-Man. Spider-Man as well takes snack breaks. So for us, we need to celebrate all our small wins, even if it is this small or it is this big. We need to celebrate ourselves each and every day. Failed a goal. That's good. Because you're trying and failing is not a symbol of giving up. It is a stylish way to move on. And adjusting and learning things and changing your strategies, planning, replanning, and reconsidering your own thoughts and emotions and your actions. And it's like even the GPS actually recalculates, right? So we are just human beings. We have all the rights to actually rethink on our behaviors and actions that we do. So let's set smart goals. Know your why, take baby steps, do not fear, and go crush it like it's your leg day. And if you did like my video and it did pump you in any kind, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel like it owes you money. Goodbye. See you in the next one.